Hi there, Adams. This is Mrs. Cariotti from the Citizenship Academy in Syracuse, New York. What I wanted to bring to you today was a review on how to go about drawing some of the shapes we've been learning about so far in Module 5 of your math content. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a word up here. Okay, this word is going to say straight. This word is going to say straight. Okay, that's the word straight. Now remember, we reviewed the word straight, and the word straight means that there's no curves in a line. Okay, so you see this line here, this one here has a curve in it. This one here, I'm going to draw it a little bit better. This one here is straight because there's no curves in my line. Okay, so we're going to keep that in mind as we practice drawing some of our shapes with straight sides. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to jump right in, and we're going to start with a square. Okay, we're going to start with a square. Okay, now if you have paper and pencil, I want you to go ahead and grab it so we can draw these shapes together. Okay, go ahead and grab some paper and pencil before we get started. Now remember that a square has 4 straight sides. Okay, I repeat, a square has 4 straight sides. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with just one straight line. Okay, just draw one straight line for me. Okay, can you do that? Just draw one straight line for me. Okay, now to finish our square, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw one straight line down. Okay, now I'm going to go to the other end of my top straight line and I'm going to draw another straight line down. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to close my shape, okay, with a straight line across the bottom. Okay, so I want you to start practicing this. We're going to do this one more time. And I want you to practice drawing a square. Okay, so we're going to do a straight line across the top. We're going to do a straight line down the side. I'm going to do that again. Straight line down the side. Another straight line down the other side. And then a straight line across the bottom. Okay, so there we have a square. A square, remember, has how many straight sides? Let's review. I'm going to highlight 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. Okay, so that's how we go about drawing a square. Okay, the next one that I want to draw is a triangle. I'm going to write that word right here. Triangle. Okay, a triangle is a shape that has 3 straight sides. Okay, the difference between a square and a triangle, of course, is the number of sides. A square has 4, a triangle has 3, but a triangle actually has diagonal straight lines. Okay, diagonal straight lines. So watch as I do this. I'm going to draw a diagonal straight line down, and then I'm going to go back to the top, and I'm going to draw another diagonal straight line down, but going in the opposite direction. And then I'm going to draw a straight line across the bottom. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and I want you to practice that. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. A diagonal straight line down, go back to the top, draw another diagonal straight line down, and then we're going to draw a straight line across the bottom. Okay, let's do that one more time. A diagonal straight line down, go back to the top, and another diagonal straight line down, and then a straight line across the bottom. Okay? So if you take a look, I have 1, 2, 3 straight lines in my triangle. Again, I have 1, 2, 3 straight lines in my triangle. Now, I want you to continue practicing drawing squares and triangles with whoever you're working with, whether it's mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, auntie, uncle, big brother, big sister, or cousins, whoever you're working with. I want you to keep practicing drawing these squares and these triangles, okay? And I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.